Tim mar Kenya mar Chukbol dhi nyime gi ikruok motelo ne tuke mag laro osimbo mar piny mangima madhi timore Geneva e piny mar Switzerland dweni. Ikruok ma kamano dhi nyime Aga Khan Hall e boma ma Mombasa. Tukego dhi kelo kanyakla timbe mawuok e pinje 18 kendo dhi chakore tarik 11 nyaka 21 mar dweni. Kenya tero tim mar chuo, mine kod rowere maraga. Korka chuo, Kenya oketi e grup moting'o joloch ma higa mokalo Switzerland ma bende ema bago tukego higani. Tim mar mine to dhi gocho gi Swiss, Brazil, Germany kaachiel kod Hong Kong.
We have 27 players right now in camp. The 27 mean 18 girls and 9 boys. Each team has 9 players. I'd mentioned that we have 3 teams here. That's where we are. Right now we are doing what we call the finishing stages with our training. We are working on our defense and we are also working on our offensive. And I want to believe we will be good to go. Our team is good and we believe in the boys and girls.
Our group ambayo tumepangwa ni it's quite a healthy competition because tuko na Italy pale, tuko na Switzerland, hao walikuwa finalist in the last Geneva Chukbol indoors. Na we also have France and Cameroon. Cameroon wanajiita African Giants, but sisi tumejipanga na tunaamini kuwa our training is enough to take them down.
Training so far has been good since we came to Mombasa. We have been joined by the under-18 team and we've been training together. Bonding has been nice. So far so good, I can say we are expecting good things.